Hello and welcome. This is going to be a quick video on how to write vertical text in Excel. So in this example here, I have a little table and I want to put some vertical text along here so that I have horizontal data here and I want to write vertical data here. To do that, you're going to highlight the part that you want to put the vertical text on. Then take your mouse and go to Merge and Center. Click that and you can type in what you want your text to say. So I'll just say vertical text. Then you click on that merge cell so you can see all these cells have been merged into the one. And then you can take your mouse over to this little A and B with an arrow, which is for your orientation. Click on that. Comes up with a few options. You want to select rotate text up. You can also do vertical text like this so it shows up like that, but most people will be looking for vertical text up, which puts it sideways like this. And then to make it look good like this, you can go ahead and center it, bold it, increase the font a bit, change the color, do whatever you need to do, and there you go. That's how you get vertical text in Excel.